Welcome to the CMG video. Again, another video. This is a Mini Cooper S 2004. This video is about replacing the cables for the bonnet. As you can see, I already did mine. Here's the old one, and you can see this is a new one here and a new one here. And this is the 2004 where the lights go up. So I'm going to try to guide you through real quick how to replace this. I do have to say this is a mother to do, and it wasn't one of the easiest jobs to do. So let's start by going inside first. So really what you want to do inside is you want to move this plastic piece there that goes underneath, and that's where the latch is for the bonnet. And as you can see, it's only held out by clips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 clips. And then this hole here is with a seatbelt there. So I'm going to take you inside and show you what that is. So that piece will stay here. We'll just remove the trim up, and if you slide it here, and there's the bolt for the seatbelt, which is like this, and it's a T50. So just unscrew it. You can probably do it without taking it out, but it's a lot easier. So it's a T50 that goes in here. It's just one bolt, and you just slide it out, and then you just push this off. So I'm going to show you underneath to make things easier. Like I said, this is a mother to do. To make things easier, I removed this bottom piece in here like this, just so it gives you access to where the cables go in. And to get this piece off, it's just held on by these 2 clips. So you pull it back, and then here, these are the hinges. So 2 of them are down, these 2 are down, and then this one's up. So what you want to do is lift these 2 up and then press this one down. As you can see from right here, that's all it is. And then you just pull it out, and it gives you full access to that. Let me grab just the flashlight for a second. All right, I'm going to show you real quick underneath here. Pass the video to me. As you can see, underneath here, here's the latch, and you can see the cable there. These are the new ones. So the blue one's on the bottom, the white one's on top. And like I said, by removing this piece here, it gives you much better access. And I'm going to show you where the grommet is. As you can see, right video on here, no light. Trying to put the light on this. You can't. Oh, let me put the light on here. Here we go. So you see the cables. There's the grommet there. See it there? So that's where you fish the cables to. So now let me go to the front and show you what needs to be done first. So what you want to do, really, the first step is removing these plastic louver vents. And the easiest way to do that is if I take one of them, I'll show you. So easiest way, they just go in here, and what you want to do is put your hand in here and just pop them out just like that, and they'll come out. So take both of these vents out, and then it'll give you access to here. Okay, and the hardest part, I say, is you have to take this piece out, which sits in here, and if you turn it, sits like sits like this in here. If you take out, there's 3 bolts, 1, 2, 3, and then there's another bolt down here. Not a bolt, it's a nut. And then mine is missing a plastic clip in here that just slide in. It's one of these little clips, plastic clips in a hole. So this is, you have to remove this in order to get to the back. And if I can show you here, is come over here, show the video here. So if you see in here, there's these clips that are holding the cable. You have to move this plastic piece in order to be able to have access to that. So you have to move them up because the cable is stuck in here. Okay, so there's one here, and then if you come to this other side, if you come to this other side here, this one you can access right through here. There's just a little plastic cover, and if you can see right there, again, you'll have to remove them, lift them up. See, I'll give you a better view. There it is there. See, there's that plastic thing there. It's lifted up where my finger is. Should be, you can see it there. See it there? Underneath there. So you have to take that out. So the best thing for you to do to take this cable out is you pull it from the firewall there, and then you leave it here. And so what I did was I took the original cable, okay? I took the original cable because the cable goes around the brake master cylinder underneath. So once I remove them from here, the short one's very easy to do. You have to put it in through this way because it's got a garment here. And same thing with the new one. The new one will have a garment on this side, and you can't take this garment out and re-put it back in. So what I did was I took it out of the firewall and I attached this end to the new one with a piece of tape, and then I pulled it through. I got it through there, and then once it's in here, you can put your hand here. It's pretty easy to go through. So coming across, and then just get it here, and then just slide the garment here, and attach it and put it together. Like I said, this wasn't easy. It's probably one of the hardest little jobs I had to do. It's a mother, really. But at the end of the day, it's doable, so you can do it on your own. And then you just push the garment, as you can see there. The garment's in there with the two new cables, and then just attach it to the front, and then just put everything back the way it should be. Like I said, hard, a few bad words, but at the end of the day, I got it. And so here's where I got my part, and it comes as a set of cables. As you can see here, there's the stock number, and I'll put a link in my description to where I purchased the cable set. Like I said, again, it's a little bit hard, but at the end of the day, you can do it. I'm doing this video to help you guys, and so subscribe and like, and thanks for watching. Any comments, put some comments in, and I'll try to get back to you in your comments. Again, thank you. Cheers.